Real talk. If you don't teach your kids how to manage money, someone else will. Hey there, fellow parents. This is Gwen Lazarito, and welcome to my little corner of the internet, where today I'm going to share some tips to help you start educating your kids about personal finance. Now, based on my intro, I'm sure that you'd like your kids to have a healthy relationship with money. And wouldn't it be nice if their first step to that is with you? So let's teach our children the right way of looking at money and how to use it as a tool to help them create their best life. Now, this is a 3-part episode where I break it down between teaching kindergartners to preteens and finally teenagers good money habits and best practices. So watch out for part 2 and part 3. Now, let's kick this off by teaching or by giving you some of the tips to help you teach your kindergartners about money. First is to use a clear jar to save money. Piggy banks are cute, but clear jars are more practical and visual. When you use a clear jar, your kids can see the money growing and they'll be more inclined to save. Second is to show them that things cost money. So instead of lecturing your child about money, a better way might be to help them get a few bills and coins from their savings, their clear jar, and go to the store and have them hand over their money to the cashier. It might sound really simple, but this action will help your child understand how money works. Third is introduce and reinforce the idea that savings is actually cool. If they really want something like a toy that you as a parent don't think they need, then maybe have them save up for that. If they really want that toy, that's a good motivator for them to save. Once they have enough money saved up, take them shopping and let them pay for the items themselves. It's a good way to show that if you are patient and you work hard and save, you'll be rewarded for your efforts in the end. Fourth is to set a good example. So a study in the US showed that children form money habits by the age of 7. Yes, it's that early. But how did they acquire these habits? Well, from us, their parents. We are their role models. Kids are like sponges and they observe and may absorb everything. So try to set healthy examples. Maybe try avoiding any money arguments with your spouse in front of your child. And another might be to try spending family bonding time without needing to purchase anything. This will reinforce the idea that you don't need to spend money to have a good time. Fifth and the last tip would be to teach them the value of giving. So once their savings starts to grow, teach them the value of giving. Whether it's your church, a charity, even the homeless, or maybe someone that you may know who needs a little help, it's important for your child to understand and to learn that giving has a very profound effect, not only to the ones who receive it, but to the giver themselves. So there you have it, fellow parents. Those are my 5 tips for you to start educating your kindergartners, your kids, with good money habits. I hope this has helped you in any way. If you have any other suggestions or things that you think are valuable for us fellow parents to teach our children, then put them in the comments section below. If you have any questions for me, you can shoot me a message, DM me, PM me, whatever suits you. And as always, I'd like to leave you with this message that your best life starts when you decide. Bye!